Friends, now we'll see a typical type of reaction that is called pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo, you are very well known about this, very familiar with this word. Pseudo means imaginary. Pseudo first order reaction. Now the reaction should have higher order, but it is found that it is having first order. Hence it is called pseudo first order reaction. Okay. Now which are these reactions? They are called pseudo first order reaction, that we'll see. Okay. So write down heading pseudo first order reactions. Pseudo first order reaction. Now which reactions are called pseudo first order reactions, that we will see. Okay, which are the pseudo first order reactions? Write down which reactions are called pseudo first order reaction. Certain reactions which are expected to be higher order which follows first order kinetics. First order kinetics are called pseudo first order reactions. ओके, अब इसके एग्जांपल भी हम देखेंगे. ओके, जो भी हाइड्रोलिसिस की रिएक्शन होती है दोस्तों, वो होती है pseudo first order reaction. Now we'll see with the example how they are called pseudo first order reaction. Now these reactions are expected to have higher order, but it is found that they follow the first order kinetics. Hence they are called pseudo first order reaction. So take the example. First example, consider the hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Consider the hydrolysis of methyl acetate. You know the formula of methyl acetate. प्लस अगर इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस किया हमने तो हमें मिलेगा CH3COOH प्लस CH3OH. ओके, ये एक्वियस फॉर्म में बिकॉज इट इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर or in aqueous phase. Okay, now if you see the rate law is given by rate is equal to K into concentration of, देखो यहाँ पे methyl acetate, I am writing here methyl acetate and concentration of water. Okay, now it should be, what is the rate law here? Now see here, suppose rate law अगर हमने लिखा तो rate is equal to K, concentration of methyl acetate reactant and concentration of water should be in the rate law. But here water is present in excess. Okay, हाइड्रोलिसिस जब भी हम करते हैं मिथिल एसिटेट का तो वाटर को हम एक्सेस में लेते हैं. So that it is found that the concentration of water do not show effect on the rate of reaction. ये जो वाटर का concentration है उसका कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होता रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पे. तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज फाउंड टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ concentration of water because water is taken in large excess, we can say large amount. Okay, so the concentration of water is taken as a constant. So if I take concentration of water as a constant, okay, K double dash, suppose the equation 1 becomes rate is equal to what? K into K double dash into concentration of CH3COO CH3. So I can replace this K into K double dash as, therefore rate is equal to K dash into concentration of CH3COO CH3. अब देखो इसकी ऑर्डर है 1, ठीक है, सो इट इज अ स्यूडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे उसका रेट लॉ अगर हमने देखा तो रेट लॉ से ये हमें एक्सपेक्ट है इट शुड बी अ सेकंड ऑर्डर. 1 plus 1 means 2, so it should be a second order, but it is found that the what it follows, this reaction should be expected to be higher order, that is second order, but it is found that it follows first order kinetics, hence it is what pseudo first order reaction. अब इसका ऑर्डर तो सेकंड चाहिए था, इस रिएक्शन का ऑर्डर क्या चाहिए था, सेकंड, लेकिन वाटर एक्सेस अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है, इसलिए ये रिएक्शन क्या है, रिएक्शन का रेट सिर्फ डिपेंड है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ मिथाइल एसिडेट पे, नॉट ऑन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर. ओके, एंड हेंस इट इज pseudo first order reaction. It is example of hydrolysis of methyl acetate is example of pseudo first order reaction. Okay, note down this example. After that we'll take another example also, pseudo first order reaction का और एक एग्जांपल हम देखते हैं. देखो हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ केन शुगर. आपको पता है केन शुगर बायोमोलिक्यूल्स में है आपको, राइट, शुगर केन. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ दैट शुगर केन, C12H22O11. ओके, तो ये भी एक एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं pseudo फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में. हाइड्रोलिसिस, जब भी सॉल्वेंट एक्सेस अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है तो उस रिएक्शन का जो ऑर्डर होगा वो होगा फर्स्ट, और इसलिए उसको हम कहेंगे स्यूडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. देखो आप सेकंड एग्जांपल स्यूडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का, राइट डाउन, हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ केन शुगर. Hydrolysis of cane sugar. What is the formula for cane sugar? C12H22O11. Okay, if I hydrolyze this cane sugar, I will have C12H22O11. Okay, aqueous plus water. It is in liquid state. It is giving C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. Okay, this is what glucose plus fructose, glucose and this is fructose, this is cane sugar. अगर cane sugar का हम, it is a disaccharide, they are the monosaccharides, right? So when we hydrolyze this cane sugar we get glucose and fructose. Now if I write down the rate law is rate is equal to, I am writing here K dash into concentration of C12H22O11 into concentration of H2O. Now water is present in excess, therefore concentration of water is taken as constant K double dash. Okay, so the equation 1 becomes, what is the equation 1 now? Rate is equal to K dash, rate is equal to K dash into K double dash into concentration of C12H22O11. Therefore rate is equal to K concentration of C12H22O11. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मैंने ये कांस्टेंट चेंज किए, K into K dash into K double dash is replaced by another constant, that is K. Both are constant, so I replaced K by K dash into K double dash by K. So this is what Now if you look at what rate law equation, we will find that it is what first order reaction. So this is what pseudo first order reaction. This is example of pseudo first order reaction. अगर हमने देखा यहाँ पे तो रेट लॉ तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पे दोनों की डिपेंड होना चाहिए, तो ऑर्डर 2 होनी चाहिए थी. ओके, ऑर्डर शुड बी 3. It is expected that the order is higher than 1, but it follows, this reaction follows the first order kinetics because the concentration of water is concentration of water is taken as a constant as it is present in excess. So rate law, in the rate law, rate is found to be proportional to concentration of reactant sugar cane, that is cane sugar. Okay, C12H22O11. Hence it is example of pseudo first order reaction. Okay, so the hydrolysis, whenever there is a hydrolysis example, we should be confirmed that it is example of pseudo first order reaction. Okay, hope you understood this point, pseudo first order reaction. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.